Welcome to this creativity-enhancing visualization meditation. We'll begin by sitting either cross-legged on the ground or maybe in a chair, just ensuring that the spine is elongated as if the crown of your head is being lifted up towards the sky. Take your time making yourself comfortable, and then allow the eyes to close gently. And just bring your awareness to any sounds around you, letting your attention touch gently on each sound, acknowledging it, and then letting it fade from your consciousness as you bring your awareness to your breath. Taking deep, smooth breaths, finding full focused concentration on the sensations of the breath in and out through the nose. Simply breathing in and breathing out. Challenging the mind so that anytime the thoughts start to arise, we just gently invite the awareness back to the breath. We'll start with some visualization, building up our imagination. Picture yourself walking down a path. What kind of path immediately came to mind? Was the path made of grass or sand or brick or asphalt? And as you walk along this path, how does it feel below your feet? What are some words to describe the feeling of this path under your footfalls? When you look along the sides of this path, what plants are there? What kind of plants are lining this path? Is there a dominant color that you notice in the surroundings of the path? Is there a particular smell or scent on the air? What sounds do you hear on this path? And as you walk down this path, try to picture it as clearly as possible. How does each step feel? How does the very air feel on your skin? At the end of this path, you see a house. As you approach this house, try to describe it in your mind. Looking more closely at the house, describe the door. What does the door look like it's made of? What color is it? And what does the doorknob look like? As you approach this door, you reach out and take hold of the doorknob. What does it feel like in your hand? And what sound does it make as you turn the doorknob and the door hinges open? Imagine yourself walking into the living room of this house, and you see there a comfortable, inviting-looking couch in the middle of the room. What color is the couch? As you approach it, you touch one of the armrests. What kind of material is it? And how does it feel under your hand? Allow yourself to sit down on this sofa. How does it feel to relax onto this couch? You feel welcomed and safe here. And as you're getting more comfortable, you hear a friendly knock on the door. So getting up from the sofa, cheerfully you walk to the door. You reach again for the doorknob, and you open it to a smiling face. Who is it that's at the door? It can be anyone in the world. Imagine that you invite this person in to sit on the couch beside you and to have a friendly conversation. What do you discuss? Let the story go wherever it wants to lead. Whenever you feel ready, you can say goodbye to that person and make your way back out onto the path. Remembering again the feeling of the path under your feet, the plants, the scents and the sights of the path. As you step carefully and joyfully back towards this present moment, you can become aware once again of your breath, aware again of the sounds around you. And when you feel ready, gently opening your eyes.